The Google Pixel 10 series just exploded onto the scene today at Made by Google. And honestly, this might be the biggest leap we've ever seen from them. We're talking about a brand new Tensor G5 chip, AI that feels like it's straight out of science fiction, and cameras that once again push the limits of smartphone photography. This isn't just another Pixel. This is Google going all in. First, the design. Google has refined what's already become iconic. The camera bar is still here, but now sleeker, made with 100% recycled aluminum and Gorilla Glass Victus 2. It feels premium in every way. And the color choices? Absolute fire. The regular Pixel 10 comes in lemongrass, a bold yellow vibe, frost, a clean, bright white, and indigo, a royal blue throwback. Step up to the Pro and Pro XL, and you're looking at moonstone and obsidian, both stunning in their own way. But here's the head turner, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, Google's first foldable and the first foldable in the world with full IP68 dust and water resistance. Yes, you could actually take it to the beach without holding your breath. But let's get into what's powering these things, because this is where the real magic happens. The Tensor G5, Google's first fully in-house chip, built on TSMC's 3-nanometer process. And it is a monster. 25% faster than the Tensor G4, and built to handle gaming, multitasking, and most importantly, AI workloads like nothing else. The base Pixel 10 comes with 12 gigs of RAM, while the Pro models jump to 16, which means these phones are ready for anything. And running Android 16 with a promised 7 years of updates, you could realistically buy one today and still be rocking it well into the 2030s. That's rare. Of course, when you think Pixel, you think cameras. And Google really went all out here. The standard Pixel 10 now has a triple camera system, a 48 megapixel wide, a 13 megapixel ultra wide, and a brand new BeiDou 10.8 megapixel 5x telephoto. Meanwhile, the Pro and Pro XL crank things up with a 50 megapixel wide, 48 megapixel ultra wide, and a 48 megapixel telephoto with up to 100 times zoom. Yes, 100. But the hardware is just half the story. The AI is where it gets wild. Google's new Camera Coach literally guides your shots in real time. And with Speak to Tweak, you can edit your photos just by talking. Imagine saying make the sky bluer or brighten the subject and watching it just happen. Now charging, this one's big. The Pixel 10 series is officially the first Android flagship with Qi2 wireless charging, which basically brings Apple's MagSafe to Android. And Google's rolling out an entire accessory ecosystem called Pixelsnap. Chargers, stands, rings, all magnetic, all snapping into place with no more wobbly connections. Battery sizes range from 4970 milliamp hours on the base Pixel to over 5200 on the Pro XL with wired speeds up to 29 watts and wireless at 25. Not class-leading speeds, but with Qi2 and the new magnets, it feels like a much smarter experience. Then there's the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, an absolute multitasking beast. An 8-inch Super Actua Flex display, Tensor G5 under the hood, and that IP68 rating that no other foldable can match. Pair that with new AI features like Live Translate, which clones your voice in real time during multilingual calls. Or Pixel Sense, an assistant that doesn't just respond but predicts what you're about to need. It's almost creepy how smart it feels. And to round out the ecosystem, Google also announced the Pixel Watch 4 running Wear OS 6, plus the Pixel Buds 2a. So yeah, the Pixel 10 series isn't just another update. It's Google's boldest move yet. You've got the Tensor G5 next-level cameras, Qi2 charging, a foldable that's actually durable, and AI features that feel futuristic but practical. Pre-orders are live today, with shipping starting on August 28th for most models, and the Pro Fold arriving October 9th. Pricing starts at $799, and Pro models even come with a free year of Google AI Pro. Honestly, this is the most confident Pixel lineup we've ever seen. But what do you think? Is this enough to pull you away from Samsung or Apple? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's talk about it.